One of the most renowned champions for the protection and preservation of endangered habitats is a woman who calls San Diego home. And we are honored this evening to be joined by wildlife conservation icon, Joan Embery. Joan, always wonderful to see you.
Thank you.
And thank you. You've worked most of your life to protect these wildlife, and you were also for years the ambassador of the San Diego Zoo.
Right.
So let's start there. Zoos really are much more than entertainment now. They're conservation hubs, but explain this.
I've been involved so long, I've watched this transition from pretty much entertainment and education into the science of animals and how to protect them. And of course, we have a large institute that covers genetics, reproductive physiology, assisted reproduction, behavior, health. And so zoos have been keeping animals for years and years and years, and they've learned a lot about that. Now we can pass on that information and use our specialists to assist people in other countries. So zoos today work all over the planet in the field, not just with their captive animals. But people come to see a panda, they're going to learn about all of the other animals. Few animals draw like a panda will. And so they will be getting $1 million a year to their conservation program by sharing their pandas with us for a period of 10 years. That's $10 million going to conservation. So zoos raise money to support conservation efforts and provide the expertise and scientific help to make their work easier.
Incredible.
And Joan, we just heard a woman talk about just the excitement, but also a little bit of the frustration of having to wait some time partly because of at least some strained relations between U.S. and China. Can you just elaborate on just the alliance that the pandas, how the pandas can help with the alliance between U.S. and China, especially with the conservation efforts, but also just the revenue that they're bringing? You mentioned $10 million in the next 10 years.
Well, initially when we had the first pandas, we did a lot of work in helping the Chinese in looking at the genetics so that these animals, because their population had dropped, are represented well genetically. And then they needed help with diets for the infants to have them grow properly and survive. And so we had scientists going over back and forth, and they brought people to our institute to learn. And so it's been a sharing experience and, you know, a lot of collaboration that has been developed over years. And so it will continue on, which is great.
And you're an expert in the knowledge that this research that we talk about actually also helps the wild populations, which is the incredible symbiotic relationship.
They're actually working in the wild. They're looking through GIS at mapping of where the forests are and trying to develop corridors, because the forests have been reduced greatly, and that's one of the problems the pandas face. They're starting to increase, but what's the carrying capacity? These are all things that our scientists can look at and study over time and get the answers to that will help them manage the animals better, both in captivity and in the wild.
Wow. And we know you are still incredibly busy. Yeah. You have your own nonprofit for conservation, your ranch in Lakeside, and all of the animals that you care for and look after, and globally you're so busy. We appreciate that you took some time to be with us today.
Well,
Thank you,
I love
Joan.
to share with people, because people are the difference of being successful, supporting the efforts of conservation. And we really need everybody to step in and help us, so they'll learn all about pandas and why we're trying to, you know, protect that population.
Knowledge is power.
Yeah.
So well said. Thank you, Joan.
So we appreciate you.